I'm Idham, GM for Menarini, Indonesia. Welcome to PT Menarini Indria Laboratories. This is our regional manufacturing hub here in Indonesia. Menarini has long been a healthcare partner here. Products made in Indonesia are exported throughout the Asia-Pacific region. In fact, we are successful because of our local expertise. Our staff, doctors, government officials, partners share the same belief in invigorating the lives of people and the community that we operate in.
Hello, Pak.
Hey!
Nice to meet you.
How are you? How are you? Yeah? We are bringing everyone to see the plant. Do you want to join me?
Yeah, sure.
Let's go!
Pak Idham and Pak Hardi, can you tell us about the manufacturing facility?
We have invested in new smart manufacturing technologies like production line, with a capacity of producing a maximum of 50,000 tubes or 3 shifts output of products per day. Our partners benefit from our evolution to become better. Today, they enjoy seamless market coverage and delivery both online and offline, with our investment in digital and sustainability in mind.
We have also invested in high-tech equipment. We make sure that our operations are in strict compliance with international and local laws and regulations. For example, we have reporting mechanism in place to monitor the manufacturing standards for environmental protection, health and safety, and product quality. Yeah? Let's go. Let's continue our tour.
I know we have a lot of sustainable practices implemented in our factory. Pak Idham, Pak Hardi, can you tell us more?
Yes. We have implemented water recycling measures that supports our Go Green initiatives. We also have important wastewater treatment protocols to eliminate all active pharmaceutical ingredient in wastewater.
That's not all. We use solar energy to power our facility. We have installed a 75 kilowatt solar panel system, which reduces the amount of electricity we need.
So Hadirina, this is our warehouse. Right? Being strategically located in Indonesia, we can provide and supply to our customers and also our partners from a regional hub. This is a key value proposition in supply security for our partners. We have plans to expand the export of our products to over 11 countries in Asia-Pacific region.
Besides the technical advancements, how do our partners see us?
That's a very good question. Successful businesses are built on good relationship. Our partners see us as the partner of choice. Over the past few decades in Indonesia, we established not only an industrial production hub, but also the local network and relationships with government officials. We understand the value of compliant, smooth, and well-defined post-approval market access pathway for our partners. To make that happen, we are constantly looking for opportunities to engage in conversations and facilitate collaboration between government and industry stakeholders.
Pak Idham, I have one last question for you.
Sure.
What's next?
Well, this is just the beginning. With the support of the Indonesian government, we are now committed to manufacture more for Indonesia and for the world.
This truly shows our brand promise invigorating life.
Looking forward to achieving more together.
Bye!